What's up, guys? I'm gonna show you how to do a 6-side checkers face. Ready? Just move this up, and just move this down, and move the bottom side. Move this up, and then move back here up, and then move down here to the side one time. Then move this down, and then 2 times, second time. And then, I'm pretty sure we go here. And then back here, you go up. Right here, you go down. Right here, you go like this. And like this, you go there. And then you go like this. Back here, you go up. One more. Oh, come on. This, up. Like that. I'm not used to going slow, so back down there, you go one more. And up 2 times, but over here. Down 1 time. And one like this. See? 6-side. Checkers, 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 checker, checker, and checkers. Okay, subscribe and press the like button.